Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And also see what other goodies they have besides this item. And now we have here a couple things. Okay. This is going to be stream webcam HFR 60 frames per second autofocus. This come from Deacon Tech. Alright. Open it up. Should be just plug and play USB for the Mac and the Windows. Ooh. Look at that fancy little guy. And I think you could unclip it. There we go. Fold it out, clip it like that. You can use your laptop, tripod. I think that's all it comes with. Cloth, yep. Cloth. Wipe it down. Bam. We're gonna hop over the computer and hook it up. Definitely excited to try this one out. Be right back. Okay, guys, now I'm just gonna hit the switch. There we go. There we go. Setting it up. It's going to be called live camera. Once the DVD recognizes it, or I mean the USB recognizes it, right there. Live camera. And then let me click on my edit, new project. Definitely a nice camera right here. Close that out once I could get it going. There's no cam. There we go. You guys can see, and that is really clear. Here's my ceiling. Here's my keyboard. Dang. Yeah, I'm liking this. Far away. Zoom. Extreme. There we go. Yeah, so definitely check these guys out. I'll leave the link down below. Get them now at low cost. And save you guys some money. Unzano is a company, so but I'll leave the link, so once you click it, it'll take you right to the spot. And just grab yourself a couple of these. Got the red light on right there. Whoop. Oh, that was a close one. Alright guys, be safe, have a good night, see you soon.